Thuli Tables shop supervisor Jeff Grady will demonstrate how to retrofit a tour portable table purchased after May 1st, 2013 for Thuli Tables Flexion distraction device. Your Flexion distraction retrofit kit includes one Flexion distraction mounting angle, two Flexion distraction mounting blocks, two bolts, two spacers, two pre-waxed screws, and two retaining washers. We've provided an Allen wrench and a wood dowel. You'll also need a hammer, a pliers, and a 7/16" wrench or an adjustable wrench. Begin by placing the table on its cushions. Bring up the back set of legs and lock them into place. Tap the leg pins out of the back legs with a hammer. Discard the used retaining washers. Use the pliers to pull out the pins. Swing the back legs towards the front of the table so that they're out of the way. They will remain attached to the collapsible hinges. Discard the used spacers. Remove the original leg blocks using the Allen wrench provided. Be sure the Allen wrench is fully engaged to prevent the screw heads from stripping. Keep these screws for later use. Discard the leg blocks. Remove the two bolts that secure the headpiece strap and closing block to the table. Discard the strap, bolts, and washers. Next, attach the mounting angle to the table and reattach the closing block using the pre-waxed screws provided. To reattach the legs, first reinsert the leg pins through the frame, mounting angle, and new shorter spacers provided until flush with the end of the spacers. Swing the legs back into position and then insert the pins through the leg caps. Secure the legs into place using the new retaining washers. Use the provided wood dowel to push the washers on. The washers should be aligned with the teeth facing the dowel. Next, attach the mounting blocks. Slide the blocks onto the leg pins so that the slot in the block faces the ceiling and the center of the table. Using the two screws you've removed from the leg blocks, attach the mounting blocks to the mounting angle using the Allen wrench provided. Extend the ankle rest. Secure the mounting blocks to the mounting angle using the Allen wrench provided. Your tour portable table is now retrofitted to be used with the Thuli Tables Flexion distraction device.
For more information, email us at office@thulitables.com or give us a call, 1-800-45-THULI. You could also visit us at our website, thulitables.com.